Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great today. Okay, so straight up, let me tell you now, this is an Igbo language video. Forgive me. Sometimes I say this and then, of course, I still get to ad-lib in English. Okay, so bear with me that this is an Igbo language video. The stuff I want to share with us today is so sensitive and it's so centered around my people and what is to come that I cannot afford to speak in English all the way. So gee m ntị na ndị Igbo, gee m ntị ebe ọ bụ na ị nọ ịbụla onye Igbo, gee m ntị. Ana m anya moto about a few days ago. Bịa nwee this incredible experience, and I would say ana m enwebe vision from time to time. Weird vision. And I brought I'm a pastor or prophet or anything, but it happens to me, and 99.9% of the time they are accurate. N'anya moto wee bịa ofufe nwa ngwa ebe mee m na-arụ just cool like that. I almost wanted to pull over and park the car. And I saw a very clear vision of Abia State. First time in my life seeing anything about Abia State. I am mad that na Chineke enyego anyị Alex Oti who is doing a great job n'Abia. Onye ọbụla ma maka ya, anyị na-ekpele ya ekpele oge ọbụla na-ekene Chukwu maka ndụ ya na ihe ọ na-eme n'Abia. Mana nke ịbịa fụ Abia steeti in a vision o metụbeghị m before. Ozugbo ife a mee m nsị ka m paaki ya moto ka ọ gịnị slows ya down. Vision a na-agwa gị last just about 50, 80, 60 seconds. It wasn't more than a minute and it was over. Ka m gwazi unu ihe mfụ. Abia mbịa fụ a very big airport in Abia State. You know the type of airport I have from places like maybe China, Singapore, massive. Nigeria has never dreamed of anything like it. I don't even know what African country has that kind of airport. This was so confusing to me. Now I see Abia airport, this massive. It was so big. Then I just after the airport, Nekwanye again, as if I was lifted up. Then for a whole new area. This so developed that I don't want to make any mistake. Can't call on the council where it was almost as if to say, I think China has that where you call industrial village, a village that is filled up with all manner of industries. I'm talking about manufacturing hub. It was so massive, I couldn't see the end of it. It's almost like when you are looking at an ocean and it just keeps going and going and you can't see the end of it. It too, I can't see where fear. Industries everywhere. Massive. People pouring in. Flights. Boom. Going, coming, going, coming. Abia State. Ikegwum. I wanted to make a video. Simple. Can check good money and have more. Is your one I want call fever. I was not sick. What is this? I sat down. Usually on a boom vision like this. And I'm like in here myself, some time. I'm the sure enough, not with you. Since see this vision, it has repeated almost every single day till today. And this was about 67 days ago. Can we this vision? Because of this in Western media, now so some divine will go and next to biko kpọkọọ ndị gị na fa na-eme ife, ndị niile Chineke nna anyị ka gị na ha na-alụ ọrụ ọfa na chain back to your drawing board. Every vision you want for infrastructural development in Abia, you have to revisit it again. You need to now expand the scope of ihe niile ị chọrọ ime. Chineke nna sị ka anyị gwa ndị Igbo na Abia ga-abụ the commercial hub of North Nigeria, not even West Africa, of the entirety of Africa. That people got there from every part of Africa and beyond to come and do business in Abia State. The same thing you see happening to China, where people are running to China. Chineke si m gwa unu, I'm a pastor, I'm a prophet, but I've never seen a vision like this that didn't happen. Ngwa ndị Abia, ndị Igbo, that na anyị enwego our own China na ala Igbo. If you doubt me, save this video. Save this post. It might be a save it is important to you. Go and save this post and make sure nothing happens to you. You will remember that now we're on this thing today. Something strange is happening. The second thing in the video, the very important over that now. 2024. Anọkata na anọ m n'Egypt na Cairo na one hotel room. All of a sudden, this same type of vision, there were again. I was supposed to go for a meeting. And immediately, I postponed that meeting. See if I could let them postpone it by 1 hour or 2 hours. We're buying at my hotel room 2 to 4 2 hours. We made a video. Gwandibo, the burden I had then was so intense I couldn't resist it. Chineke Simiga Gwandibo na our day has broken. Na Chindibo Fogo. Most of you must have seen that video on TikTok before I lost my former TikTok account. They named the video. Whenever I get the urge, I don't waste time. Our renaissance has begun, and that you will see clear evidence of it in 2025. When he noticed about Igbo land between January of 2025 to December of 2025, if Unani Bada go through a little bit of Wifo, not even a little bit, a lot. When they say I can't go in 2026. 2026, there will be a mass exodus of Igbo people from different parts of the world into Igbo land. Umu Igbo Ganata in droves. Oburo, a political thing. It is something that is divine. Because many of you now go Bible, I'm don't know that Bible because neighbors in the somehow I wouldn't know them that great return Bible it no mirror man from my brother Joseph okay to watch out for 2026. Igbo will break into serious massive explosion, infrastructure development, economic development everywhere. If I can name Igbo all over the place. Umu Igbo, if you don't know. Obro because now Obro because anybody say has there. It is because there is a stirring in the spirit. And with something somewhere, see, time has come. The moment they shifted it, the timing is pushing everyone to go home. People will get up and go, they won't even know why they're going home. They won't even know what is pushing them. Industries gonna break out all over Igbo nation. Anambra State, the manufacturing you will not, in terms of technical manufacturing, that you will not see in Anambra State. Enugu, I am seeing administrative headquarters cited in Enugu. Coordination taking place in Enugu. Commercial hub in Abia. Technical inventions in Anambra. Too many things happening in Igbo because these same people called Igbos. It is not because I am an Igbo man. Chineke naturally used to call the whole world who Igbos are. 2026 is the beginning. We are commencing our descent into that dream that we've all carried in our hearts for a very long time. What do you phenomenon in Nigeria right now? There were information to so many things, but I didn't like it too much because a lot of information, you won't be talking anyhow. Only see obodo my na-achị ime. Mana ndị Igbo bụ ndị bụ the biggest beneficiaries of ihe na-achị ime enwere the idea. And then mark out idea in my little way in a code so that you don't miss it. So I am trying so hard. I'm not sure I'm basically many people now sometimes come man and my quarter enough. One from I mean video about one nine workable nam the can we see me. Una na Abia, right? That's how we say it. Abia. We soon come down. One day America Abia. And Abia. Ni open hana achieve ga-adịrị anyị nwa mma anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo n'oge benefit anyị gwagwa m after ka m gwasị unu a lot of noise everywhere o nwere ife America ga-eme wute out there America nka ndị na-eme mkpọtụ na-esi mkpọtụ gịnị mere 25th and 26th of unu fe ha mere unu afụda na America ejere Borno ma Plateau ma Kaduna ma anywhere n'ebe ha je Sokoto Caliphate ọkwa ebe anwa ka akpụsa na ndị ka the same Sokoto Caliphate bụkwa ebe esi wee jide na ndị Igbo na-anọ ihe ọbụla mere ndị Igbo na Naịjirịa etu isi wee feji wee propaganda wee marginalize ya ndị Igbo destroy ya Igbo people's reputation and image na Nigeria. The main people ndị ọcha Britain ji wee mebie memina ana Igbo bụ that same caliphate ahụ ifo n'ebe ahụ. Not even Ofemanu, not even your president. Ihe niile mmegolu ndị Igbo since the war ebe a ka control ya. And we notice is there now that from this bomb in America that n'ebe anwa ka ihe niile si adị coordinated ọ bụrụ ọsị mụnwa na-ekwu na unu na-afụgo naanị unu America banye there because iji igbu agwọ eke na-eno ndị mmadụ na village na-enu ọkụkọ na-enu everything iche igbe ọ bụrụ n'etiti aka ị na-eji ire egbu mma ọ n'isi ya America je n'isi mmiri aha find it out from their intelligence and surveillance program wee bụrụ nọ n'ebe Sokoto Caliphate. Ka m gwazie unu the significance ihe ọ pụtara bụ that na chi ejigo n'isi ndị a chi wee fọọ n'isi anyị ihe niile ifụla a na-eme enwe only two parties nọ n'agha ndị Igbo na ndị Caliphate. Ofe mmanụ nọ n'etiti Chineke na Jos were ya na-achọ ka ememina ndị nke ọzọ ka anyị wee were ụmụ anyị. Ama m na ihe anyị na-ekwu naanị lot of people ama nkweta that na ọmụnwa na-ekwu ụdị okwu dị otu a mana ama agwa gị because anọ m n'isi mmiri. I'm your brother. Ihe aha anyị ncha na-ebe akpụ ya since na-eti mkpu ya since onye isi ala Naịjirịa ma ihe na-achị ime ele ha anya yanwa nwee ike ịbụ the last person ga-achị obodo a na-akpọ Nigeria as one united country gị nwanne unu ntị yanwa malụgo so ihe ọ na-eme na ọ dị just kpokọrọ ego n'ọbụla ọ nweta wee na-edozi befa because ọ mmadụ na ife na-achị ime na-emesi by the time yanwa na-return back maybe even before the so-called election of 2027 ihe niile na-akwado ime na o mechago by the time ihe niile ga-emechago Nigeria abụrụzikwa ofu na onye ọbụla edebegokwala onwe ya and by that time ifo that na befa na o dozika befa ọkwa ka o si na-edozi everywhere na Lagos na pọmpụ ego na-etinye gasị na Yoruba land mana ndị be anyị enwere idea ife na-achị ime unu atụrụ ife mee with Benjamin Netanyahu. The same day Benjamin Netanyahu said that na Igbo Christians na Nigeria ga-akwụsị, that was the same day America bombed. Lotakwa na eme video, my last video post na YouTube before that time. Agwa m unu si that Israel dị interested in ihe na-eme and that once big operation bido America man not direct. America use Israel wee mee ha actually ime makwana that na ihe America na Israel na plan over long term. Not something that is short term. And if they are planning long term, a man just Jack Igbo terrorists now, I got no on ground. No see Kenana. Make sure that niha on the terrorist wene to on which is oil nona ebe na zonom nage that na that oil na he wins access to it forever. He got that from me now. So onye isi ala unu nwa idea ihe na-achọ ime ozugbo abọmbụchan Sokoto Caliphate. The next thing men will Israel to recognize their Somaliland. Somaliland is a clear picture of what Biafra land had always wanted to be. Any Haga go through, Biafra has gone through it. Mana from that caliphate, they were dismember Biafra, scatter Jahenine, and we do the agitation. Now, can was unique Bezioko? Unanya nihe ndi Somaliland men. Somaliland enwekwana mkpọtụ. Somaliland eburukwa anybody. Somaliland emekwa anything. They didn't protest. Onwere ihe ọbụla mkpọtụ ha mere. The Somaliland they were blueprint in the Catalonia and Spain where they were banye befa. Now no. Bulu industries, Bulu development began to practice true democracy. Ne create very viable institutional organizations na their place. Institutions that are very, very modern and workable. They build themselves from the inside out. The whole world will be to notice them. A country like this in a place like Somalia that is ungovernable, they are not when in which democratic transitions now practice did not very viable. The world will notice here that Nandi Somalia actually never their freedom, even though they themselves are very unruly and ungovernable. Immediately now, America will mad at now. If we don't recognize these people, they may overwhelm. And when they overwhelm them, they will use their resources and their logistics that may attack Israel. So immediately, Israel now recognizes Somaliland. And America will recognize very soon. Save this video, you will see it. Many other countries will recognize. So as far as Israel has done that, Somaliland is now a full-blown republic. There's nothing anybody can do again. And guess what? Go and look for the analysis I posted on my ex. Ihe ndị Nigeria ji wee react to that recognition. When you can see the panic in the press release. How does Nigeria, why should Nigeria be bothered that Israel recognizes Somaliland? Obro na Nigeria manansubu na Abia na their doorstep. Because Nigeria amalugo that the story of Somaliland is almost exactly the same story of Biafra land. And how Malugona that the moment Israel did the way recognize it, but now the recognition I'm going to say about because I'm going to Israel recognize Biafra land where you call Biafra that Nandini Nenachi is Namai. It is the caliphate will conquer Africa. That their journey ends here and now. Unenweta the idea here na chime. I can't join us in the Igbo. Okwe from mkpọtụ niile anyị na-eme na social media. For noise niile anyị na-eme onwedo ị pay attention to it. Ife ji your mkpọtụ eme. Thing that's most your software from around too much gone. Unu ewesanala onwe unu iwe. Unu enwena acrimony and animosity towards one another. Any ọbụla ma na anyị chọọ ka anyị nweta ihe ahụ anyị na-achọ because any go manya for that na almost every Igbo person alive. Imepe obi fa ị ga-afụ na all of them 99.9% chọrọ ka this nwere onwe bịa mana ọ bụrụ etu anyị si achụ ya ka anyị ga-esi wee chụta nwụọ ya agwago m na eji m the blueprint by the special grace of God. Anụgo m na meetings ebe a kpara ihe dị omimi gbasara nweta onwe anyị mana I will never speak about it openly. Onye agwa na anyị ga-ejelute ebe anyị nọ na anọ ya ekweta betu na afụgo ebe m mere mkpọtụ maka Biafra mana ọkwa unu ihe megonu ihe anyị nwetago so far in the last 20 years wouldn't have got Lugon ka anyị kpokọta onwe anyị tụkọ isi ọnụ kpọta that's our young ones onye ọbụla tinye isi na Igbo ka anyị ka n'Igbo chi oge anyị elugo chi Fuck off finally. So now no name in closing. Anama Unibiko. All our youth groups na Igbo. All our young people, traders, everybody, onye ọbụla ịbụ nakwa ịbụrụ onye Igbo, gee nwanne gị nwoke ntị, oge elugo. Business ọbụla ime ị na-eme, jee bido carry out feasibility study n'ala Igbo. Feasibility study n'ala Igbo. Ọkwụnụ fụ na onwe ihe state recently. Our brother Ekene Mkpalu, I think that's his name, but the guy, Bo IMAX Studio, IMAX Cinemas, Film One Cinema, right? In Lagos, that all of you know. Or Ekene bụ the main engine where we better Nigeria from the reports. Mgbe Ekene bụ ya wee bata, man, the usual thing na dị eme. When they say maybe annual 400 other things, we'll make it that. It's the usual thing. The buyer they go used to it. We'll make it, batch up Ekene. Ekene we bruise Obolia, my connection here. Bunani, we see that cozy come there mount. Today, as we speak, one of the most, not one of, I would say the most beautiful, the most modern, the most sophisticated film cinema in the whole of Nigeria is sitting in Newi right now. The same thing made our brother Landmark, onye ọbụla nọ n'nka. When we say Landmark ihe mere ya, the same usual thing. Gịnị ka Landmark mere? Landmark land ya n'ala Igbo. Wee bido, today, Nike Lake Resort is a destination of choice for onye ọbụla na-aga n'ala Igbo now, or Enugu State. And from there, I'm encouraging him to go and check all those beaches that we have in Ebonyi State. All these governors non Igbo, let us partner with Igbo intelligentsia and investors. There are so many powerful Igbo people who can do great things. The coast is clear. Read my lips and my word now. The coast is clear. Now, oge lue mgbe a ga-asị ka enyegodi ndị anyị afa na-achọ enesi anya fụ na anyị anọkọtara ọnụ ọ ga-enyekwa anyị nsogbu ọ ga-apịakwa arụ before you know it were anyị tikọ with ndị ọzọzi ndị ga na-ene anya because I guess na ndị amara ka esi ndị ama njikọta nwa onwe ọnụ. So let us pair them with other people. Mana ọ bụkwa maka ma obodo ọ ga-ekewa eji m asụsụ bụ anyị wee na-agwa gị today. Nkewa nọ in the horizon. Almost everybody can see it. Mana okewa ị ga-achịnwukwa onwe gị. Ọ bụrụ na ị ga-achịnwe onwe gị ngwa zikọnụ ndị ụwa na ị ga-achịnwe onwe gị by bringing yourselves together ndị Igbo. Oge elugonu. Remember, it is not by all manner of political machination. It is by divine predestination. It is not by human hands, but by the hands of the Most High God. The timing is not human timing. It is God's timing. But the human beings involved in this plan must align themselves. And this is what I'm begging us to do. Ekene Bugolu, a very ultra-modern cinema, the best of its kind, probably in West Africa. The situation and Newi. Unacho no, how many billions that cinema must have got. So the guy is stupid. No, it is because our renaissance has come. It has begun. It is because our time has come. Fogo. I don't mince words when I say things. I don't hallucinate. I can stay 10 months without making any video if I don't know what to say. Man, ọ banye m n'isi, banye m n'obi, I will say it, and I say it without any fear. Chi ndị Igbo efogo, ma ibi n'obodo oyibo, ma ibi na Nigeria and other places, bulu ife ọbụla ị na-eme na be anyị Igbo when it is still early, before properties will become too difficult to purchase. And Igbo will become the toast of Africa. I say save every video name now. And Igbo will be the toast, not in the distant future. Very soon. That in our lifetime. Nobody nam in my lifetime. Any man or woman that stands in the way of what God is doing, the person will go for it. Obro mụnwa ga-eme Chineke ga-eme n'aka ka anyị kpọkọta n'onwe anyị ọnụ. Onye Igbo ọbụla watch this video, tell yourself, I will never in my life watch another Igbo person suffer or die, and I look the other way. Onulube nwanne agba n'ọsọ means that you the cry, the outcry of your brother, you rush to take care of them. Una even name na social media. I didn't make journey for Igbo business that is struggling. I will invest my money in it. Are you not following me on X? Go to X. Umu Igbo no now na social media may defend our cause. Our billionaires' time has come for you people to identify all these children, all these boys and girls that are now fighting Igbo cause on social media. Igbo fan phone, he took to let go 1 year fan account. I do it. In 1 year fan account. They need to defend all these other people. They have sponsors now sponsor for Oburo only now a fight for Igbo land. I need to until mgbe X ji wee kwụọ ụgwọ. Ọ na-eche mgbe Facebook ji wee kwụọ. No, we have billions. Ka anyị wee support bụ ụmụaka be anyị. Ọkwụnụ fugi actually ime anyị mgbe ebido mebe this whole Christian genocide. However, but look at it now. Go to social media for that now. There is sanity now. Only about you, first before the walk because I wait all these girls, Vivian not there, Adibo not there, die got all of the from nowhere. Now fighting the cause of Igbo. You identify anyone. Why I say Nebiko on Nabiko cable? You go to my account today. It's never gonna account. Motivation, morale, and a boost. If you want Igbo business now around you that is struggling, support it. I have one I've just identified. This girl, Vivian, is it no Vivian or Chidima? Chidima Guam. I'm going to make a video. I don't want to talk about her. Make perfume, name more after Igbo themes. Achalugo, Odogu, and all that. Ndị Igbo niile should patronize that business. And I'm not going to patronize it. I've already ordered and bought that perfume. I am going to make sure that that girl's business is funded. Wait for my video on her. This is what we should be doing. Nobody's paying me a dime for it. This is what we call onulube nwanne wanoso. Nobody should watch an Igbo person suffer for any reason. I want for this equal for Obaloni Igbo. On what basis? That bond that brought us together that we are known for, we have to go back to it. Mwa boy, anyị bido mewe kamgbe. Megide to the point that Harvard University sent people to come and study these Igbo people. Unara Pupania. Ndị Igbo, let's go back to it. Let's go back to it. This is who we are. In the Bible, Melota na onye jere ịnụ Rachel nwa Jacob. Melota. Rachel, onye jere ịnụ Rachel nwunye Jacob. Jacob jere ịnụ nwunye ya. Okay? Ọkwa Jacob, right? O wee sị na Rachel ka ọ ya anụ. E wee sị anọ ya nsam for 7 years. Ọkwa boy ka ọgba. Gbacha boy 7 years. And you are the wrong person. Ọgbakwa again. 7 years out. How is it? Is it a coincidence that at the end of the day, not 7 years out, you are the person the Bible spoke about. Let's go back to our divine tradition and not lose it. The Hajinaka, the too much in the Igbo. We have the keys to greatness and prosperity. Let us not lose it. We'll talk more in the future. I love you with all my heart and may God bless you. Darling.
Alex Oti don dey change the face of Abia State with better governance, and e dey give Igbo people new hope for better tomorrow. Once upon a time for Abia State, government matter no too dey sweet people belle. Roads bad, light no dey, and people dey suffer anyhow. But as Alex Oti waka enter as governor for May 2023, everywhere begin change like magic. This man na former big oga for bank, e sabi money matter well well. As he enter office, he no waste time, he begin repair roads, clear salary backlog wey don hold civil servants for neck, and even begin build new hospitals and schools. People wey no dey see light before, now dem dey enjoy steady electricity for some areas. One of the biggest thing wey Oti do na to fight corruption. He no dey play with government money. He close down ghost workers and make sure say money dey go where e suppose go. Market women, Okada people, and even small business owners begin dey smile because dem dey see say government dey work for them. He still carry eye look Aba, the Enyimba city. He say Aba go turn to small China. He don start to fix the roads, clean the gutters, and support local manufacturers. Tailors, shoemakers, and traders dey happy because dem fit now do business well without wahala. But no be only today Oti dey think of, na the future too. E dey invest for education, make pikin wey dey primary school today fit become doctor or engineer tomorrow. E dey support tech hubs and skill acquisition centers so say Igbo youths go fit compete for any job anywhere for the world. People dey talk say if other Igbo states fit get leaders like Oti, the whole southeast go turn to economic powerhouse. E dey show say with clean heart and better plan, Igbo land fit rise again, strong, united, and prosperous. As e be so, hope don land, the future dey bright, and as Alex Oti dey continue him good work, Igbo people dey believe say better days don dey come. Alex Oti, the light wey dey shine for Igbo land. Once upon a time for Abia State, people don tire for suffer. Roads be like river, workers no dey see salary, and everywhere just dey dark. But as Alex Oti enter as governor, na so better breeze begin blow. From day one, Oti no waste time. He carry broom sweep corruption comot for government. All the ghost workers wey dey chop money for back, he chase them comot. Civil servants wey never see salary for months begin dey smile. Money begin enter their account sharp sharp. For road matter, Oti no dey joke. Aba roads wey don turn to swimming pool before, now don dey smooth like glass. From Port Harcourt Road to Osisioma flyover, construction dey go on steady. People dey waka go market now without fear say dem go fall inside pothole. But na the electric buses wey burst everybody brain. Oti bring in electric buses to reduce wahala of transport and help the environment. The buses dey clean, no dey make noise, and dem dey cheap. Students, workers, and market women dey enjoy am well well. E even talk say more go come and charging stations go full everywhere. E no stop there. For health sector, Oti don begin renovate hospitals and build new ones. E dey train health workers and provide better equipment. For education, e dey repair schools, give students books, and even introduce digital learning for some areas. Business people dey happy too. Aba wey be the Japan of Africa, Oti don dey support local manufacturers. Tailors, shoemakers, and tech bros dey get support to grow their hustle. Even dey plan to open industrial parks wey go create jobs for youths. Oti dey show say governance fit sweet if person get good heart and better plan. E dey give Igbo people hope say tomorrow go be better. With leaders like am, the whole southeast fit rise again, strong, united, and prosperous. As people dey talk now, if Oti fit do am for Aba, why others no go fit do am for their own states? The future dey bright, and the light wey Oti don light, e go shine reach every corner of Igbo land. Na so the story be.